What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm starting off with skin prep. I wanted to include skin prep because I feel like it's super important. So I'm starting off with my facial oil, applying it very YouTubey. You already know. I like to moisturize this into my skin. It's kind of like a glow serum. And you know what? I was thinking about I should start selling this oil, y'all. Comment down below and let me know if y'all will support me if I started to sell oils and things like that. Y'all, I've been using this for about 3 years on my skin and I love it. I'm obsessed. And I think other people could enjoy it as well, girl. So let me know. Next, I'm going to go in with Henriksen, the Truth Serum. And I usually apply the oil and the Truth Serum mixed together. But I wanted to do it separate, okay? So I could just let you guys know what I'm using and to just not have it be confusing. As well as to keep it real YouTubey, girl, showing these products to the camera. Listen. So I'm just going to apply that. I talked about this in my haul and it's a very nice serum. Then I'm going to move on to the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. This is with SPF 30. So I love that it has the SPF in it because I don't have to worry about protecting my skin from the sun. I can just use my daily moisturizer and it already got me covered. So I would recommend checking this one out or just one with SPF because you know we like to minimize the steps. Next, I'm going to go into an eye cream I just started using from SEPHORA. This is their from their new line. It's like a clean, it's supposed to have really good ingredients. And I'm plopping that right under my eyes. I've been using it for about 4 weeks now maybe, and it hasn't done me wrong, girl. So I'm happy about it. It hasn't given me the little small bumps in my eyes or anything. So I've been liking it. I take it on my lid, and I also take the accents all the way down to my smile lines because I figure it wouldn't hurt. Yeah, so this is what I do on a daily, get into the skin. I'm going to just lock all that in place and add a little bit of refreshing mist to my face with the Badescu. Now for makeup prep, I'm going to go in with the makeup. Now for primer, I'm going to go with the Tatcha. So I didn't use a lot because we really prepped the skin and the skin is already ready for makeup. So I just used a little bit of the Tatcha. And then today we're going to test out if the eyeshadow primer hack works, okay? So this is the e.l.f. shadow base, girl, and on e.l.f.com people was ratting and raving saying that this primer works just like the Urban Decay primer potion. So I bought it and I'm checking it out, using it on the smile lines, and I'm going to also put some right on the sides of my nose, girl, because you know sometimes that's the first place where foundation can just separate. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to use the Juvias Place in the shade Punta Cana 435. So thank you to everyone who checked out my review. If you haven't, girl, check it out. And if you are a subscriber who just subscribed from the Juvias Place video, hey y'all, thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to go ahead and apply this foundation and blend it out with my Morphe brush. Then I'm going to go in with the Juvias Place concealer in the shade number 16. So this is a really good concealer, and now that it is in Ulta, I'm probably going to go pick up a deeper shade. So this is giving me a true highlight, which is what we usually would want. But sometimes I don't really like to go too bright under my eye. So I might go and try to check out like 14 or so and just see what the shades are looking like. I'll let you guys know if I do go out and get a deeper shade. But the concealer is super bomb and it gives a nice finish, full coverage. So I probably will go buy another shade or two. Then we're gonna go in with the handy dandy Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. I like to take it directly on the brush and apply it to the skin, and it is the bomb. This matchstick is a staple in my kit. I use them on all of my clients. I have them in so many shades when it comes to just contouring. And I think that it serves up a great finish. It applies to the skin flawlessly. I prefer to apply with a brush because when you get to drawing them lines, it's kind of harder to blend out to me. So I would recommend trying it this way. If you like to cream contour, check out the Fenty Matchsticks if you have not. Then I always like to take my foundation sponge and just blend because you want everything to be seamless. So I'm blending that into the foundation with the highlight concealer and just making sure that the contour doesn't have any harsh lines. Yes, get into the skin, you guys. Give me a thumbs up if this skin is looking bomb. So we're going to set with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Powder. So I bought this powder to do the review because people was acting like this was a really bomb powder, and I really haven't grabbed it since. So it was sitting on my desk today. So I'm like, let me use this powder, girl. I spent my coins on this. Let me use it. And it ended up looking really, really nice. The shade Banana Bread is perfect for my skin tone. So if you are my foundation twin or around my skin tone and you want to try out this powder, I would recommend Banana Bread. So I set all of the areas that I apply concealer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set my cream contour using Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. And I'm using that same brush that I applied the cream contour with. And I'm also going to take that on my eyes. Y'all know me. I love to take the bronzer on my eyes, in the crease, all over the lid, just to give us a look, girl. Not too much on the eyes today. Or this day I was going out to dinner. Actually, I was going on a date with my boo girl. And I just wanted to do something nice and flawless and snatched, but not too much. So if you haven't tried out this trick, girl, try it out. Take your bronzer, even your contour shade, and apply that to your lid into your crease, and it just serves up a look. Also took that on the side of my nose for like a quick nose contour, girl, just adding a little bit of shading to the side of the nose just to pull the face and the eye area together. Now I'm gonna go in some lashes. These are from AliExpress. My girl Jay Chanelli, who has a channel here on YouTube, check her out, y'all. She had commented and asked me where I got these lashes from, girl, and they are from AliExpress. I could do a video on them. Let me know down below. They are only $3, girl, and they are Mink. Do you know how many I ordered? I like snapped. So comment down below and let me know if you guys are interested in that. Get into this blush. This is an e.l.f. blush, and it really served up a look, girl. Look at it. It's so pigmented and bomb. I'm obsessed. Probably be using that in the next 3 videos. For highlight today, I'm going to use Stila. This is their Putty highlighter in the shade Brilliance. So it's a nice champagne-y gold. And I love how it just serves up a glow from within. You can build it to give you like a beaming highlight. But like I mentioned, I was going out with my boyfriend, so I didn't want to do too much, girl. He probably would have been like, what is all that on your cheeks? Listen. Just gonna add some bottom lash mascara, and we're gonna move into lips. So today we're gonna use Colourpop BFF3 and BFF4. So this is in the collab or the collection with Shayla. She didn't create BFF3, which is the one that I'm going in now, but it's definitely a staple brown liner. If you have not purchased this yet, this is out of everything, girl, get this liner because it's the bomb. It's so creamy. Colourpop has some of the best liners, and I use this on everybody. Now I'm going to go in with BFF4, which is a deeper brown shade. It's kind of almost auburn deep, like a very warm brown shade. And I'm using that on the outer edges of the lips just to get a more defined look. And this is the shade that Shayla created in collaboration with Colourpop, and this is definitely iconic to get another BFF, okay? Get a deeper version of all of the new liners. So check this one out as well. For lipstick today, we just going Makeup Shayla Colourpop Crazy. This is the shade Ooh from her collab, her previous collab. And it's a nice peachy nude. I'm applying this into the center of the lips, blending that out with the liner just to give us a nice nude peachy lip. And I'm gonna top that with Neat Freak. So this is one of the glosses that doesn't have the new like brush applicator from Colourpop. So I take it out and twist it on the back of my hand to get the product and scoop it up. And then I apply to my lips because this way I have enough gloss on the applicator to where it won't move my liner and lipstick around. We just did all that work. We don't need to be moving it all around. We want the liner to stay nice and sharp, and we want the lipstick to stay in the middle of the lips. So yes, you guys, this is the final look. I'm gonna go put on my clothes Yes. So I wanted to come back and show you guys the final look with my clothes on and my hair actually combed. So at the end of this video, it is going to be a quick like 30-second video showing you guys what my face looked like at the end of the day after going out to eat, and letting you guys know if the eyeshadow primer worked in my smile lines. Okay, so comment down below and let me know if you picked up the Juvias foundation and what shade you got. Also, comment some hearts, y'all. Show me some love. Give this video a thumbs up. I love all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. So, with the eyeshadow primer, it's still creased. As you can see, I did like blot it a little bit. And I feel like with the eyeshadow primer, it does like touch up a little bit better. But yeah, long story short, girl, it still creases. So that's not ideal, but my skin looks really good. Like, I don't know why I got a crease, because it's like almost perfect. But yeah, bye bye, thanks for watching.